Hi friends, welcome back to Spontaneous Tech Study. In this video, I am going to explain you about one beautiful and a wonderful program. Before viewing this program, before explaining this program, hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to turn on the bell icon in order to get the latest updates, which is programming problems and off-campus updates. So without wasting time, let's get into the topic. So today topic is prime number programming Java. So basically, prime number is a number which has two factors, one and itself. If you take 2, it has only two factors, one and itself, which is 2. In order if we consider example 13, it has only two factors, 1 and 13. So finally, the number which has only two factors is called a prime number. So another definition is also mentioned here. Prime number in Java, prime number is a number that is greater than 1 and divided by 1 or itself only. In other words, prime number can't be divided by other numbers than itself. So this is a little bit tricky. So remember one thing, the number has two factors, which is 1 and itself. It is called a prime number. So we are getting into the concept. So 1 is not a prime number because it has only one factor. So moving forward, we have created a class. The class name is prime number. Our class is public. That means any class will be accessible to our class, and the class name will be prime number. So the main method will be now creating main method, public static void main string aux. String s will be capital, string aux, which is arguments. So I am explaining you why public, why static. Because public is because it is an access modifier. In JVM it is called from externally, so it will be public. And static means we need not to create an instance or object for our main class, and void means it does not return anything. So we have put void, which means nothing. Main is our main method name, and string aux means it is in the form of string arguments. So beginning our program now. I am creating scanner class because I will take input from the user. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. So okay, so now I have to put semicolon. So why this error occurred, I have to import the util package, import space java dot util. Actually I will tell you one trick. In Eclipse, if you have an Eclipse, you have to enter Ctrl Shift plus O. The util package will automatically, what are the package you needed, it automatically import in our program. So now I have to get one number from the user, which is stored in enter. I am asking the user sysout. If we enter sysout plus control plus space, we will get system.out.println. I am asking the user enter a number number okay, enter a number. The number will be stored in n variable, int n equal to sc dot next int. Sc dot next int. After taking input from the user, I have to check it is a prime number or not. For this I am implementing for loop. For initializing int I variable, I equal to initially 1, I less than or equal to n, which is our number, I will be plus plus. So main logic will be start from here. We have to observe carefully in order to understand the concept. Here I am giving if condition, if n percentage I modulus I equal to 0. So I am taking count variable for finding the factors of a number. Initially int count will be 0. Okay, we are counting from, we have implemented a for loop and a if condition. Here initially 1 percentage 1, the condition will be true. It will 1% 1 equal to 0. 0, so condition will be true. Our count value will be incremented, count plus plus. So after that, the I value will be in next iteration, I value will be 2. So 2, here n will be, let us consider n will be 13. Here let us consider n will be 13. Okay, here I equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 13. Condition will be true. It will come into the if block. 13 percentage I, 13 mod I, that means 1, that means 0 equal, remainder will be 0 equal to mod means we will get remainder, divided by means we will get a quotient. So 13 mod I equal to 0. Yes, condition will be true. I will be, count will be incremented. After that 2, so 2 n will be 13, 13 mod 2 equal to 0. No, condition will be false. It will be true until I equal to 13. So we will give the condition 13 less than equal to 13, condition will be true. 13 mod 13 equal to 0. Yes, condition will be true. Else case is not needed. We are come out of the loop, we are come out of the for loop, and we are checking if count equal to 2. I mean, we have 2 times 2 factors, we will get 2 factors, because first one, prime number is a number which has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So 1 will be equal to 0, 2 1, and 13 mod 1 equal to 0, and 13 mod 13 equal to 0. So equal to means it is equal to 0. So these two conditions are true. So by that condition we will print the it is a prime number. This out, control space. Here we are entering it is a prime number. It is a prime number for user response. It is a prime number. Or else conditions, or else if it is getting more than 1, or count will be 1 or 2 or more than 2, then it is not we have to display it is not a prime number. Sys out, control space. I am here entering it is not prime number. It is not prime number. Okay, I am running this program for the first time. Program is running, enter a number. So I am giving 13. Actually 13 is a prime number, it is a prime number. So I am running, I am giving now 4 is not a prime number. I am giving 4 as input, so it will get not prime number. You can check any number, it might be whatever you want. 97 is a prime number, so it is a prime number. Even so this is the logic in order to check whether if a number is a prime or not. So basic funda is the number which has 2 factors only. So if the count initially we have count equal to 0, we will get the count equal to 2, then only it will be prime number. So this is the main logic in order to check if the number is a prime or not. If you understood this video, hit a like and subscribe our channel. Do not forget to share your friends and press the bell icon to get latest updates off campus and program related stuff. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. We will meet in next video.